Sneaker deals at Singapore airport are insane. Every sneaker brand has a store here, and the craziest part, I'm on a layover, so I have limited time to explore all of it. Welcome to Changi Airport Mall, Singapore. So first important question, how do you get access to Changi Airport when you are on a layover?
Now I wasn't aware about this. I have Japan visa और मैं चंगी एयरपोर्ट पे आया. मैंने अपना travel pass fill किया, which is a travel SG card, which is Singapore card, and then I'm able to get into Singapore without a visa. मतलब I do have a Japan visa, which is a very strong, powerful visa. So maybe because of that.
And that's the first sneaker store, Onitsuka Tiger, right here.
What an amazing sneaker that I just came across. Look at this. It's a basketball sole inspired pair. There's a hot yellow color in that. Indian currency, this is around 20,000 rupees. Check what I found, guys. What I found. This one is a Porsche 963. It's a prototype, so there's no engine inside, but it looks exactly the same car that runs on those tracks. I love it. It's an experience in itself. I can't go there, otherwise I could have shown you all the things inside, but this is a dream come true for all the boys out there. Maza hi aa gaya yaar. What's your name?
My name is Labid.
What do you do, Labi?
I play games.
Video games?
Yeah,
Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
You are here in Singapore as a tourist?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you enjoying, having fun?
Yeah, I am.
Cheers, let's go. I saw a Foot Locker out here. We're going to go and explore that also. I hopefully see better stock compared to what we get in India. Create a fire on Cloud Monsters and on Cloud Tech. Superb collection out here. All the white sneakers up there in stock. This one, guys, is for 349 after tax, but when you buy as a tourist you get a 5.5% of refund. Oh, SL72 is very common pair sitting here. Addy Zero Evo SL. Fuck, how lightweight is this? Oh, what's the price? 209. Whole bunch of Hoka sneakers out there. Look at that variety. Look at this. It's a Vibram sole, great rugged running shoes, trail running I suppose. Amazing variation. New Balance, we have New Balance Absorb 740, 90, 60s, the grey color. Oh, look at this nice sail white color. I love this color as well. It's all here out there. 2002 R, 1906 R. What's the price for this? 219. I love this. Oh, this is for 30% off on this. 153, right? So it's moving fast.
Hoka and All Cloud.
Yeah, it's too much in demand. Okay, how long have you been working here?
About 2.5 months.
Are you from Singapore?
Yeah.
Yeah, have fun. Guys, I saw this pair sitting here. Check this out. एक बात का खास ध्यान देना, वैसे आप लोगों को पता चल ही जाएगा when you will be traveling. 5.5% का टोटल प्राइस पे रिफंड मिलता है if you buy as a tourist. पासपोर्ट दिखाना होता है और आपको रिफंड मिल जाता है, और ये 5.5% कहने में थोड़ा लग रहा है, but when you convert it into Indian currency बहुत बड़ा अमाउंट हो जाता है. Hello, what's up? What's your name?
My name is Naveen, buddy.
Naveen. Where are you from, Naveen?
I'm from Malaysia.
I like your hairstyle, bro.
Thank you so much.
How long have you been in Singapore?
4 years?
Are you enjoying?
Yes, very good.
Cheers. Thank you so much. Have fun.
Where are you from?
I'm from India, Mumbai.
Nice.
See you. Thank you. Bye-bye. Look, guys, they have this one. What's the price for this? 219. 219. Almost the same price that we have in India. But my favorite Gel Cayano 14s have got this color. They've got this color. Which is the most moving sneaker right now? The most selling one?
1130.
Gel 1130. Look at this. All these colorways. You know, one more thing I observed that the stores out here, the people working out there are very content friendly. You can just walk in, make content, ask them questions, and they are more than happy to be on the camera. I just hope scene in Japan is also like this, so that I can bring to you the most explored content and the most value-driven content out there with all the information. But what I'm experiencing right here at Changi, I thought जब मैं यहाँ पर आया था कि 7-8 घंटे का लेओवर है तो बहुत टाइम रहेगा, बट भाई अब मुझे लग रहा है कि 2 दिन का अगर स्टे भी होता सिंगापुर में तो भी शायद 2 दिन भी कम पड़ जाते टू एक्सप्लोर दिस. It's so huge and I might not have been able to cover everything. Look, I just found New Era ka store right there. It's enormous. 6 hours is nothing for me to explore this. Imagine I'm just looking at all the sneaker stores. I'm not even looking at the fashion side of it or other shopping things. And अगर आप लोगों के पास layover है सिंगापुर में, then surely step out and go to Changi Jewels where you will find all these sneaker stores and I think you will land a better deal. This is how advanced Singapore is. Oh, this is insane. भाई क्या crazy है ये. She's controlling it from there and it's rolling out here. And he's the guy. Yeah. Okay guys, every time I come to Singapore, I meet this person. He is Amit as well, one of my childhood friends. हम लोग कब मिले थे? 2010 में. The first time ever when I came to Singapore for SneakerCon, I was at his place for almost 7-8 days. And it was so amazing. और मैंने वो Nothing का phone जीता था तो मैंने पार्टी करी थी मैंने. बताओ आप. सब लोगों को लगता है next 2-3 hours before I take the flight to Tokyo, we have got some time and we are going out. भाई बंदे ने 5 किलोमीटर चला दिया है भाई. 5-6 किलोमीटर चला. अभी कितना हुआ है?
देखा नहीं, बंद कर दिया.
This guy treated me like a sports athlete here. Treated me well, in fact.
You don't deserve it though.
भाई क्या स्पिरिट, क्या एनर्जी है बंदे की, मेरे को बोलते हैं और खुद का हाल देखो क्या. मतलब ये 1.5 घंटा हमको चला गया है. थैंक यू फॉर शोइंग सो मच ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस इन मी कि ये बंदा चल लेगा. लव यू सो मच भाई. थैंक यू. एंड दिस इज नॉट फॉर द कैमरा ओनली, बट दिस इज फॉर द रियल लाइफ. लव यू स्पिरिट.